template emails and batch template emails. So with Postmark, you would generally use a transaction template email where you wanted to send the same email to 50 addresses or one address, and in the to field you have a text field which is comma delimited with up to 50 email addresses, and Postmark will send 50 identical emails, up to 50. If your use case is you want to send up to 500 emails, and maybe each of those 500 emails are slightly customized, so for example I have a table and in there I want to send this email, the welcome template, personalized with John 2 and then personalized with Jane 1, you would use the batch method. So the basic difference in the plugin between these two is that the transaction action takes single values. So for example, these are all single values, while the batch one takes lists. So in the batch one, if I have a list of a bubble list of say 100 email addresses, I can attach in this with the action, if I could have a different CC address, because I'll attach a list of the equivalent list of say 100 CC emails, and each one could be different. So what the plugin does is it matches up. If in position 1 is this to field, it looks for the position 1 for the CC value, position 1 for the BCC value, and so on for all the rest of these. So and on the UI, what you see, and on the return, if I send this one, for every email I send, basically a list value comes back of the message IDs and the error codes and so on. And there's a debug, so you can see exactly what is being sent. So really what this plugin's doing is conveniently creating this JSON stuff for you.